Hello, this is our client. The machine he can keep in the outside, and the machine we keep in the room inside here. Make the client the local here, and also the credit card, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, also the cash and the bill in here, and also here it's nice one. The bag. And this side you can open when the client he have do the service, he can open this door. This door he can open to do the service inside when the machine have any question. Here. And also on the top. And here we can make the logo for here. It's nice machine.